Hi, this is Chef James. To celebrate the launch of our new book and our new product line, I've asked my friends at Grizzly Vids to make a series of short demos on how easy it can be to cook real Mexican food. I hope you enjoy them and you enjoy the book as well. Thank you.
Today, we're going to be making traditional vanilla sauce. Okay, so now we're ready to make our vanilla sauce. First, we add the whipping cream. We have this over medium to high heat. 2% milk. And we're just going to bring that to a gentle boil. Add our vanilla bean. And then switch it off. Slice the bean open lengthways and spoon out all these gorgeous seeds. Look at that. That is beautiful. Wow. Now we add our vanilla pod and seeds to the milk and cream base. Mix thoroughly, leave that to cool, and now we begin combining our other ingredients. Now we're going to whisk our eggs, white sugar, and vanilla until we achieve a light cream. Today, we're using fresh vanilla beans and Mexican gourmet vanilla. Gently fold the milk and cream base into the eggs and sugar from the bottom to the top so it doesn't lose volume. To find these amazing vanilla products and support the farming communities that produce them, head on over to cookrealmexican.com or find the link in the comments below.